National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pulaski County in northwest Indiana, southern Stark County in northwest Indiana, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from North Judson to 6 miles southwest of North Judson to 7 miles north of Rensselaer and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Francisville around 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Winnemac around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Denham, Ora, Beardstown, Ripley, Van Meter Park, Monterey, Star City, Pulaski, Lawton, and Fort Hope. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across northwest Indiana. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Pulaski and Stark. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana